We here at Calmar Cars want you to be safe when you're driving your car, so we don't want you to touch it after you've bought one of these fantastic vehicles that are here on our forecourt. So today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple device, your phone, directly to one of our cars here in both standard Bluetooth, so you make calls and stream music, and Apple CarPlay, so you can do everything you normally do on your phone without having to touch it, not once. We want you to put it down when you're driving, because it's not safe. Let's start off with one of the more complicated cars to get connected to. The BMW 520 MHEV here has Apple CarPlay and BMW's iDrive. So this is the BMW system called iDrive. iDrive notoriously is a little bit more complicated than other systems that are out there. But it has gotten better over the years, but it's all run from either a touchscreen, which you can do here, or from this wheel system on the bottom as well. So this has built-in Spotify here on this list and Bluetooth audio. So you can connect up just as Bluetooth, just for making calls and streaming music. Or if you're not into apps, you can also connect using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. For this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on an Apple device, because that's the most common one there at the moment. So when you click Apple CarPlay, it will say vehicle is visible to Bluetooth devices. So in your phone, which I'm going to show on this screen here, if I click on this, and then I click on settings, on the settings up here near the top is Bluetooth. When you click on Bluetooth, it'll show you all the things you've been connected to before. My watch is here. All the cars have been connected to, millions of them. But in here, it will show you all the other things that are available on Bluetooth, including our BMW 83458. It's sitting here. Click on that. It says Bob's phone on the screen. You'll see it right there, Bob's phone. And after a minute or two, once you click on that, it will say pair. And then after you pair it on your phone and pair it on the system, and you click on pair here, and here, click on yes, and between the two, you'll be allowed. Now you'll be allowed to contact, favorite and sync, allow, and after a minute or two, it will start to ask you about CarPlay. Use CarPlay. Here it will say about CarPlay. Give it a minute, and then your CarPlay is now connected, and you can allow to check your CarPlay app. Now you can hear music coming out already from my CarPlay. This is my phone now showing CarPlay. There is our officer of volume mount. Here is BBC Six Music, and here is all my apps that I want to use to go anywhere at any time. So all of my apps are on the screen, all ready to rock. That is how you connect Apple CarPlay. And if you allow it on all the systems, every time you get in, it will up CarPlay. You have no excuse to touch your phone while driving. You can send messages using Siri on those devices. You can use your sat-nav from the touchscreen here. Waze, there's Google Maps, and there's Apple Maps. All available right now for you to use your phone. Do not use your phone for any reason while driving. What about something a little bit more ordinary? Here's a Volkswagen Polo. It does have Bluetooth, and it does have CarPlay, but it is wired only, and I'll show you how to use just a standard Bluetooth. So as we're saying, we don't want to use your phone. What happens though if you don't want to use Apple CarPlay is you want to connect it to one of our more ordinary systems, a normal way of having your phone connected. You want to stream your music, you want to use Spotify, maybe you want to use a digital radio station, you want to make a phone call, you can still use your Siri and all that, it's all in there too. This is a Volkswagen Polo, much more ordinary, simple system to use, no sat-nav installed, none of that stuff installed in here. Here's our app. This has Apple CarPlay in it as well. So you click on phone in this, and you click find cell phone. So in the find cell phone system again, this is now searching for devices. That's looking for a phone. So again, we go into settings on my phone, scroll to the bottom, and you will start to see the, oh wait no, this is the results, sorry. I'm trying to look for my phone yet. We're back in the phone again, and then search one more time, because now I have my Bluetooth turned on. We wait and see what comes up in here. Results, Bob's phone has appeared, that is my phone here. Click on that, and it's asked me to connect my hands-free. Okay, so here it is, popped up on the screen, yes pair, and you see allow content, you can click allow, I'm not going to allow it, but you can click allow on that one, which will allow the system to understand who your call is. Here's my phone appeared up here. Now, on this, without the Apple CarPlay, you are dependent on the volume rocker on the side of your phone to turn up and down the system here. So if you find it too quiet, when you turn up your audio, turn it up on your phone, it'll get louder, okay? So now your phone is entirely connected here as well. I can now go in the app, and I can click Apple CarPlay. But you need a USB cable for Apple CarPlay. This is not wireless, but you are still connected to your phone perfectly well. You still make a call, you click on the phone, you still dial a number on your phone like you would normally on a touchscreen. It will come out to the speakers on the phone. It will be using the mic that's built at the top of the car. You have no reason to touch your phone. But when you want to, get a USB-A connector with this one. Some of them are C, some are A. A to Lightning port. When you click that in, Apple CarPlay will become available to you, and your phone will be charging while you're driving. But yet again, you do not need to use your phone while driving. Put it down, send a text message later, send the information later on if you're requesting. If it's your boss calling, tell them you're driving. I can't answer a text message. Put it away. People are dying because of this device. So that is how to connect your Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth up to the Bluetooth system. If you want something else covered, please leave a comment down below and let me know what that is. Maybe you want screen wash where it is in the car, or how to run a dipstick, or how to check your lights or something. If you want more of those important videos, or if you want to know what any of the cars right here, CalmoreCars.ie has the full stock listing and all their prices online. We're going to discuss there too. Anyway, leave me a comment down below what you think, and we'll make more videos. Thanks for watching. I need to get a cup of tea now. We're going to talk about elbow deletes. Elbow deletes, usually. I reckon we should go knee deletes, so knee and elbow deletes. Let's do that. James, I want to do an elbow delete, and I want to do a knee delete.